sejahtera, nama saya THULASI anak berban RAJOO dari kelas DKA 5A ingin membentangkan tentang acid rain. Acid rain or acid deposition is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. This can include rain, snow, hail, or even dust that is acidic. And I would like to explain about the causes of acid rain. Acid rain is caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released onto the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere where they mix and react with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acid rain. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide dissolve very easily in water and can be carried very far by the wind. As a result, the two compounds can travel long distance where they become part of the rain, sleet, snow and fog that we experience on certain days. Human activities are the main cause of acid rain. Over the past few decades, humans have released so many different chemicals into the air that they have changed the mix of gases in the atmosphere. Power plants released the majority of sulfur dioxide and much of the nitrogen oxide when they burn fossil fuels such as coal to produce electricity. In addition, the exhaust from cars, trucks and buses release nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the air, and these pollutants also caused acid rain. Secondly, I would like to explain about the effects of acid rain on fish and wildlife. The ecological effects of acid rain are most clearly seen in aquatic environments such as streams, lakes and marshes where it can be harmful to fish and other wildlife. As it flows through the soil, acidic rainwater can leach aluminium from soil clay particles and then flow into streams and lakes. The more acid that is introduced to the ecosystem, the more aluminium is released. Some types of plants and animals are able to tolerate acidic waters and moderate amounts of aluminium. Others, however, are acid sensitive and will be lost as the pH declines. Generally, the young of most species are more sensitive to environmental conditions than adults. Lastly, I would like to explain about solutions to stop man-made acid rain. Regulating the emissions coming from vehicles and buildings is an important step according to EPA, and this can be done by restricting the use of fossil fuels and focusing on more sustainable energy sources such as solar or wind power. Furthermore, each person can do their part by reducing their vehicle use. Using public transportation, walking, riding a bike or carpooling is a good start according to the EPA. People can also reduce their use of electricity, which is widely created with fossil fuels, or switch to a solar plant. Many electricity companies offer solar packages to their customers that require no installations and low cost. Thank you.